Installing optimizers. The optimizer is a device that protects the system from the effects of partial shading of the solar panels. It reduces the failure rate of the system while increasing its efficiency and safety. In order to be able to move freely on the roof during the installation of the optimizer, use previously laid wooden battens. Or alternatively, you can use a ladder laid flat. Install the optimizers before the panels are laid. Each panel should be connected to a separate optimizer. Place the optimizers in the narrower space just below the intermediate brackets, or in a place where it can be connected to the next optimizer, according to the cable diagram attached to the design. Start the installation by screwing the rubber spacer and sealing sleeve to the roof. The screw should be screwed down loosely so as to leave a gap to allow the insertion of the optimizer metal plate. The upper part of the optimizer has fixing holes, which allow it to be slid over the spacer sleeve. Each optimizer also comes with an additional QR code sticker. It can be found on the back of the mounting plate. Before screwing down the optimizer permanently, peel off the sticker and place it on the wiring diagram. This will allow you to configure the wiring correctly at a later stage. Once the optimizer is inserted, tighten the screw permanently into the roof. The last step before installing the panels is to assign numbers to the secured optimizers. To do this, use a marker and photograph the QR codes provided on the mounting plate with your phone.